What'd you do?
Put these on me so my hands can't get dirty.
Yeah, and then what happened?
I placed my makeup trying to get me on me. Then I put polish on me. Then I try to wash my hands. Then I try to place that. Then I place that, and then that, and that, and that.
And where are you now?
And here.
You're what?
And here.
You're stuck in there?
Yeah, I can't go.
Why not?
I'm deaf.
What?
I'm deaf. I'm told I am deaf.
Yeah.
I'm deaf.
Do we have to call Daddy to come get you?
Yeah.
Yeah.